guys, and thank you so much for watching my videos. Now, I am super excited because this is my first attempt at this DIY. So I decided to make like a little bouquet using some Dollar Tree items that I found or hauled, the Dollar Tree socks, and then of course some Dollar Tree decor, some Dollar Tree ribbon, and then my couponed items that I get quite a bit. So I have some face masks, lip balm, and mascara in here. There's also a lipstick floating around in here somewhere. It's right here. But I wanted to do something a little bit different in regards to like giving somebody a gift. Rather than giving them flowers, I wanted to give them something that I know they can use later on and not just have the flowers and then they die, and at least they'll have something to always remember this gift by. So this is what I came up with. This is my little bouquet, and I made rose socks. I'm going to go over how to make the rose socks and how I put this gift together. Really simple, pretty inexpensive if you're an extreme couponer. Even if you're not, you can find a lot of these items at the Dollar Tree as well. So I'm going to show you guys how I made this, and let's go ahead and get started. I wanted to do something a little bit different for some family members and for Valentine's Day. So I got these Dollar Tree socks. I just didn't want to give them some socks for Valentine's Day. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to look on Pinterest and see what I can do with these. So I saw somebody making some flower roses. So I'm going to attempt that with these I Llama Love You socks. So I have my sock here, and then I'm basically just going to fold it this way. And I'm going to flip it around. I'm going to flip it around. I'm going to fold this corner, and then I'm going to roll it. And I'm just going to kind of mess around with it a little bit and try to make it look as much as like a rose as possible. So as you can see, it looks a little bit like a little budding rose, and I'm just going to take my safety pin, and you can get a whole package of these at the Dollar Tree soup for $1, a whole bunch of them. Or if you don't have any, I've seen people use rubber bands as well. And I'm just going to clip it like that, and I'm going to make 2 of these. So the next thing I'm going to do is I have these happy birthday like little foam wood, what are these? These are called the foam wands, and I'm going to take off the happy birthday sign, if I can get it out. So I don't need the happy birthday sign. I'm also going to take off the ribbon. Well, I guess I can leave the ribbon. We'll see. We'll see how I like it. And then, you can hear the bird. I have this floral tape, which is green, that I got from the Dollar Tree. And like I said, guys, you can use wooden skewers. You don't have to do this whole process of the green tape. You can just leave it white or use the skewers if you wanted to. But I'm going to wrap my floral tape around the wand, because I think it'll look kind of like a stem. So let me go ahead and start wrapping this around like so. And you get quite a bit for only $1. So I'm going to continue this and show you what it looks like when it's done. So here's what it looks like when it's complete. And then I'm just going to stick it at the bottom of my socks to kind of make it look like a stem. So I have my rose here, and then my stem, and then I'm going to continue on and do my other rose and stem as well. So next thing I have is this adorable heart that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. Now I kept a little bit of the tag on the keychain because I'm going to tape this to the back, and I'm going to tape it to the back of my plastic skewer or wooden skewer, whatever you want to call it. So I have some more decorations to add. I think that's going to be really cute with my 2 roses and this little keychain. So let me tape this to the back and we'll continue. Okay guys, so I have my little roses here. I also decided to do the keychain from the Dollar Tree, and it's on a skewer. I also put some masks that I hauled from, where did I get these from? Target at their 70% off after Christmas clearance. So I have a red foil mask and then also a holographic foil mask, softening, moisturizing, and revitalizing and moisturizing. I have a red lipstick that I just hauled at CVS from my CVS haul, which cost me absolutely nothing. I think 98 cents for 4 of them. Of course, if you follow my channel, you know I'm an extreme couponer, and we were getting these for free last year. So I do have one of the Revlon Kiss Bombs on here, and then also a Revlon mascara that we were getting super cheap, if not free. So those are my little skewers that I made. Now I'm gonna get my pliers and I'm gonna cut some of these up, and I'm gonna make a bouquet out of this. So I'm gonna cut some of these red, pink hearts. I think they're really cute. And I'm also gonna cut some of these white ones up and a couple of the red ones up to add to my bouquet. And I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, guys, so I have my tissue laid out, and I'm just gonna kind of try to place my items in my bouquet. So just to make it look, you know, kind of festive. Getting ready for the Valentine's Day holiday. So super excited. I have a little heart here. This down here. I've got my little lipstick, and I definitely want these up front. Put it up a little bit further up. And I'm just kind of playing with this. So I'm going to grab my, I have a mess going back here, my bouquet bags, and I'm going to use that to put it in. Now what I was going to do with these is I was going to make little curly cues inside, but I think this is more than enough. I think it looks really nice the way it is. I'm going to show you guys, of course, with the camera facing forward the other way to show you what it looks like when it's complete. But I think it's coming out really cute, and I think whoever gets this is really, really going to like it. So let me continue, and I'll show you guys what it looks like inside the bag. So I'm absolutely loving this, and I cannot wait to show you guys when I face forward, but it has come out so stinking cute. I am so excited. Now at the bottom, of course, I have some ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna tie a bow, and this gift is ready to go. It cost me probably about $2 or $3 to make. Everything else is couponed for except for the small items from the Dollar Tree, but this is an awesome gift to give. I might even give this to my aunt. I think she'd really like it. But yeah, I don't know who I'm gonna gift this to, but I think this is an amazing gift, and I'm super excited to give this one out for Valentine's Day. So let me tie my bow around it, and I'll show you guys the completed project. So this was my first attempt making this gift, and I'm so glad that I took the time to make this gift because I think it came out absolutely adorable. The bow just put everything together, and I think it came out amazing, guys. So this is what the final product looks like. Look at that bow. Isn't that cute? We have everything in here that I think any woman would like. Of course, this is my first attempt. I will be making more of these, and I'll be showing you guys different types of Valentine's Day gift ideas that you can do with either Dollar Tree items or your coupon stockpile, just to put it to good use. Because I know a lot of us, we coupon and then we get so much stuff and we don't know what to really do with it. This is a great way to utilize those items and give out an amazing gift. Besides doing the, you know, beauty gift bags and boxes, this is something a little bit different outside of the box and really, really cute. So I really love the way it came out. I'm super excited to make some more of these and to share with you guys other ideas that I have coming up for Valentine's Day. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Now, just if you like these videos, please remember to like and subscribe so you never miss an episode. Also, don't forget to check back in a couple of days. I will be having an amazing giveaway for you guys. So you definitely want to like and subscribe so you never miss an episode or a giveaway. That giveaway is awesome. It's jam-packed. I cannot wait for it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys learned something and you guys give it a shot and try giving it out. I know any woman would really love this gift. Now, I hope you guys are having a fabulous, blessed day. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. And I will be talking to you guys real soon. You guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching.